The maps that lead you to the biggest treasures of the world are often very small. That was a good one. One such feature that I have always felt was completely ignored by practitioners, or it's not that we look at these things every day, and I think we should probably do that at least once a week, is using something called as geographic targeting. And if you have been using AdWords for more than 10 years, you will understand that there was one tab or one, I think it was just a tab on the AdWords interface where, yeah, there was a tab called Dimensions, which was a life changer. Believe me, it was a life changer. You could look at what time and date your ads are shown to people, and which is your peak hours, which is not your peak hours. What is your peak day of the week, which is the peak week of the month, and which is the peak month of the year. And you still are able to do it, but it's just the fact that it's not under Dimensions, but it's under something called as Predefined reports. If you click on your reports option on ads. Now, while that's not entirely what I wanted to talk about today, there's one piece of information which I really felt could help a lot of local businesses. You can segment this data based upon geography or user location from the predefined reports or the dimensions, which is what it was earlier called as. You are able to track you're able to drill down your data in terms of which user location is responding better to your ads and which of them are not. Now, that's a gold mine of information, especially if you're a local business and you don't want to miss out on this data. So if you have been ignoring this piece of data, whether you're a national business or a global business or whatever business that you operate, it's very important to understand the location where you're getting the most amount of traction from, because then you could start banking upon local keywords and location-based keywords and bid higher on them, and that's how you scale your Google Ads campaign, not just blindly bidding on basic broad match keywords. That doesn't get you anywhere. So I hope you make use of this geographical data that gives you from which geography are you getting the most amount of traction from for your Google Ads, and I hope you start making those modifications to get you really want to be. Thank you guys. This is Casey signing off. Until next time. Cheers. Oh yeah, I'll also link out the screenshot of where you can find the geographic, where you can find this information from, and I think it really helps you. Cheers, guys.